So how you can get sales online with affiliate marketing without spending any penny on paid advertising. Now in this video we're going to go straight into it without any waiting whatsoever. I'm going to show you exactly how you can generate similar results like this that you can see over here, and also using cold traffic. So as you know, as an affiliate, you need to have the traffic, you need to have visitors to your page, right? You need to have people who come to your page and then they purchase the products. So how you can do it? Now, if you're familiar with Clickbank affiliate marketing, what you can do, you can go to google.com, type in Clickbank, and over here you can see in your marketplace, when you sign up for your account, you should be able to see categories, right? So what you can do if you want to get high ticket sales as an affiliate on Clickbank with traffic that's sent to your affiliate link, then stay tuned. You see over here you have e-business and e-marketing, right? Which is basically online business and online marketing. So you click over here on the left side, and what's going to happen, you see, you're going to be redirected over here to different offers. So what I would suggest you is to type in for example, super affiliate system, which is a high ticket offer. And as you can see over here, it's paying $806 per sale. So basically this means that with one affiliate sale, you are getting $806. Now how to promote it? Simply just click promote button over here. And over here you can type in any Clickbank ID that you want from any accounts you have. For example, I don't know, Jack12 or whatever you have, right? Make sure it's correct one because you're going to get commissions paid here. And then you can add tracking ID if you want to, and leave it by default. You see, leave this page by default, and then at the end click generate hop links. And once you generated hop links, you can see here at the bottom we have this link. So what you simply do is just copy this link. So you see you have successfully copied your hop link. So this means that you have copied your affiliate link. Now you don't need any website. So you might be asking yourself now, okay, so how do I make money right now with this link? So what you have to do is you have to understand that there are two ways of getting traffic. There is paid traffic, free traffic, which is time consuming and can cost you even more money in the future. And it can be also solo ads, which are basically cold traffic sent to your affiliate link. Now, what is important thing about solo ads, you have to understand is that there are many different buyers traffic that you can buy, buyers clicks, right? So what are buyers clicks? Those are basically cold traffic, cold visitors who don't know about your brand, who don't know about super affiliate system, but they are highly targeted. So what do I mean by that? For example, if you are promoting offer like super affiliate system, I would suggest to go with people who are 45 or 35 years old and above to 65 years old, living in Australia, UK, New Zealand, Ireland, and USA, right? America. So how to do it, how to start promoting it and start making money as soon as today. For example, what I would do is I would ask you to come over to my page, which is over here, my Instagram page, and the links again are below this video. So to my email, WhatsApp, and Facebook, you can reach me out there. You can connect with me, you can DM me, right? And you see over here, you can reach me out on this page over here, and you can send me the message, DM, and please copy your affiliate link. So if you want to get traffic, we have many different packages, ad packs that you can purchase, which are basically, for example, the main offer is 300 buyers clicks, which will cost you roughly $500. And what you're getting is you're getting 300 buyers visitors to your link. Now let's make the math. Let's do the math over here right now. For example, let's say that you are promoting super affiliate system for which is $806 commission to your affiliate link, to your Clickbank account. So for example, let's say that we have over here, let's say that we have one sale. So you have one sale, this is $806. So you're getting $806 with one sale. So investment was how much? $497. So investment was $497 for buyers traffic, 300 buyers clicks, which are 35 years old, males and females living in US, Canada, in Australia. So you're paying $497, and with one sale you can get your investment back plus $300 profit. Now ask yourself, would that make sense to spend $500, for example, to make $806 back? So $300 profit, and you also break even on your first initial investment. So let's say that you purchase 700 clicks for $997. So basically you're paying $1,000 and you're getting, let's say, 700 buyers, traffic, clicks to your affiliate link. So with only, for example, sometimes in some cases with 200 clicks you can make a $1,000 sale, but those clicks must be highly super targeted. We call them VIP buyer traffic clicks because they are super targeted. You see, those are the visitors that are already problem aware and solution aware. So they know they have a problem, they know they need a solution, so you just connect them together, and that's how you make the sale. So if you have any more questions, what you have to do is you have to go to the Clickbank, like I'll show you over here, type in your account nickname, generate hop links, copy it, and after that go below this video. If you're using Instagram, you can reach me on my Instagram page over here, or you can go over to my Facebook or WhatsApp or email and reach me over there and send me this Clickbank ID, and I will set you up with quality traffic so you can get clicks sent to your affiliate link. So thank you for watching this video, and before you leave this video, please subscribe to my channel so you can get more helpful marketing tips that can help you succeed with Clickbank and the rest of affiliate marketing. So thank you for watching.